Hello everyone, welcome to the channel again. As you guys are familiar with the term the Power Virtual Agent. Power Virtual Agent is nothing just a setup which would easily manage the user's query. Okay, so in the Power Platform, this is nothing just a chatbot. As you can see on the left hand panel, here is the second button is the chatbot. Okay, so like it is very commonly used requirement, like you have to integrate that chatbot to other platforms, either to your customer website, either to your application or anywhere. So the question is it possible to add that chatbot to your model driven app? So I say the answer is yes, we can add our chatbot, means we can integrate our chatbot to the model driven applications as well. Okay, so in this video we'll see how we can integrate it. So I have created one chatbot in order to use it directly. So I'll just go to the list, and inside that list I have created one chatbot that is my bot. Okay, this is the name of my chatbot. As I'm opening it, it opened the virtual agent platform. Okay, so huh. Like if I play this, let's say, just to go it. Okay, if I say hi, the chatbot give me some answer. Okay, like I'm a virtual agent, I can help you with the following queries and all. So if I say that I want to talk agent, because we are not interested in making more flows and all. So we are directly um, the main focus of this video is to just integrate it with the Power App or the model driven application. So what we do, we'll simply create one web resource, okay, in the Power App. So we'll create one solution. Here is my solutions, and I have created one test solution. Inside that solution I just create one web resource. Okay, and from here the others the web resource. So as you can see in the chatbot uh, platform, there is a manage section, and inside that manage there is a channel, means from where you would like the chatbot to integrate with. So we just use this custom website, we just open it, and here we can see there is a HTML type of a code that is written here. So you need to use this code. Okay, so just go to the web resource and just give it a name, that web resource name. Let's say it is of type bot. Okay, and the display name, let's say again the bot, description and the type. Here's the type. So as I can see, this is of HTML, so my web resource would be of HTML only. So I select as web resource as HTML, and there's a text editor. I'll simply open it, and from here I'll simply copy the whole content. See, and come back in the source. I'll just remove what is already here and paste the that I have copied from the Power Virtual Agent, and simple okay it. So once I'm done with that, simply save it and publish it. Okay. On the another side, we go with to our application, and we simply go to my entity. This is my table, let's say test entity, and I'm just opening this. Okay, it is just taking a little time. I'm just moving to the classic. Okay, so inside the entity I just open the form, and on the main form I'm opening it. I think uh, it would not be visible to you as of my knowledge, so just let me just check it once. So guys, here you can see the form I have opened. From here, this information form I have opened it in my tab only. So what you need to do, you there is a button like insert. Just go to there, and there is a web resource. Okay, you just need to click on some portion. Let's say I am using this note section, and there's a web resource. I'm simply clicking on it, and it is asking which web resource you would like to add here. Okay, so I'm searching for the boat. The name of my web resource I created was boat only, so it's not there. It should be there. It was new boat. Here it is. So I'll simply use this new boat, and I need to write the label as the chatbot only. The label is boat. The label I don't want it to be displayed. So and simple. Okay. So I have added that boat below my note section, and if it is possible to drag it up here. Okay, so this board will become above my note section. Okay, so I'm just going to my home and saving it and publishing it. Right, now we go to our application, that model driven, where this entity is used and where the form would be visible. Okay, so I have already opened that application, and I'll simply so hit my application, you can see, and I've added only that entity. So refresh it, and we'll go inside it. Okay, so now here you can see this section. This is my boat that I have integrated. Okay, so if you like to interact it with here, like hi, so to use this virtual agent code blue, to publish it to the virtual agent. Okay, so actually the thing is, we haven't published it in my virtual agent, so I just go there and publish it, publish it once, and now I think it would work completely fine. Just refresh it once more. So our main work is completely done. Like we have successfully integrated our chatbot to our model driven application, right? So check it once more. So here you can see it is working fine now. Like I'm a virtual agent. If I sit at I want to talk to agent, so it's just going please connect to the person now. Mail on this power plus power up. So that's how we can integrate our chatbot to our model driven applications form. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, everyone. Thank you.